Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve class 10 maths exercise 6.1. In question number 1, we have fill in the blanks. All circles are dash, congruent, similar. So answer will be similar. All circles look similar with each other. So answer is similar. In question number 2, we have all squares are dash, similar, congruent. So squares looks same with each other, so answer will be similar. In question number 3, we have all dash triangles are similar. Isosceles, equilateral. Isosceles means a triangle whose two sides are equal. Equilateral means a triangle whose three sides are equal. So answer will be equilateral. In question number 4, we have two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if A. Their corresponding angles are dash and their corresponding sides are dash. So their corresponding angles are equal. So in first bracket you just write equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. Now in question number 2 we have give two different examples of pair of similar figure, non-similar figure. So for similar figure, example for similar figure are any two squares. Any two squares, I can give the example of similar figures. Example for non-similar figures. Square and circle. So example for non-similar figure are square and circle. They don't look same with each other. So this is the example for non-similar figure. In question number 3, we have state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. This is one quadrilateral and this is another quadrilateral. Now we have to check these two are similar or not. As we have seen here, this looks not same, means these two are not similar with each other. So the answer will be no. The following quadrilaterals are not similar. Now we'll do for question number 4. In question number 4, we have which of the following are definitely similar to each other. In option A given any two rhombuses. In option B given any two right angle triangles. In option C given any two regular pentagons. In option D given any two isosceles triangles. So right option for this question is any two regular pentagons. In question number 5, we have consider the following statement. Statement 1. If three sides of a triangle are equal to three sides of another triangles, then the triangles are congruent. Statement 2. If three angles of a triangles are respectively equal to three angles of another triangles, then the two triangles are congruent. Option A, 1 is correct, 2 is false. Option B, both 1 and 2 are false. Option C, both 1 and 2 are correct. Option D, 1 is false, 2 is correct. So right option for this question is option A. 1 is correct, 2 is false.